Hi, we are doing logarithm. What is given in the question? Log 25 to the base x minus log 5 to the base x is equal to 2 minus log 1 by 125 to the base x. We have to find x. So don't worry if the base is x. We will just follow the rules as we do. That's it. Use law. First we will use the law over here. As we can see, it is log a minus log b. What is the law? Log a minus log b is log a by b. तो पहले we will follow this. That will become log 25 by 5 this whole to the base x. Because why the law can be followed? Because both the places the base is same. So this will turn out to be log 5 to the base x is equal to 2 minus log 1 by, again here is 5, so we will try to change 125 also somewhat in 5. We know 125 is 5 raised to the power 3. So this will become 5 raised to the power 3. Again, what we can do, we'll write it, let's write it, 2 minus log a by b is log a minus log b. So this will become log 1 minus log 5 raised to the power 3. Can we write it like this? We can. Fine. So this will become, what will it become? Log 5 to the base x is 2 log 1, whatever the base be. Whatever is the base, that is not a problem. Log 1 is always 0. So this will turn out to be 0 minus log 5 raised to the power 3 to the base x. So we'll open the bracket this side. Left hand side will be this only. So this will be 2 minus 0 को omit करते हैं, minus minus plus log 5 raised to the power 3 to the base x. Right? Now here what we can see is log, again we will use the law. I'll show you the law once again. Log a raised to the power n is n log a. So this will become, this is log 5 to the base x is equal to 2 plus log 3 log 5 to the base x. Getting it? We'll get all the logs on one side of the equation. Fine. So this will become log 5 to the base x plus 3 log will come here and it become minus 3 log 5 to the base x is equal to 2. This will become minus 2, 1 log 5 and minus 3 log 5 plus minus minus. So 3 में से एक, 3 log 5 में से 1 log 5 जाएगा, then 2 and a minus sign because 3 is big. So this will become log 5 to the base x is equal to 2. Fine. Now what is this? This is again log 5 to the base x. 2 can come here and it will become 2 divided by minus 2. That is log 5 to the base x is equal to minus 1. Right? Now we will put this in exponential form. We can put this log in exponential form. We know log b to the base a is y है, तो इसका exponential form क्या हो जाएगा? A will remain the same, the base will remain the same, the power will become y and the answer will be b. So log b to the base a is equal to y, तो क्या हो जाता है? A raised to the power y is equal to b, means b and y gets interchanged. So this will become x raised to the power minus 1 is equal to 5. That is 1 by x is equal to 5. Now what is this 1 by, how it came 1 by x? Anything raised to the power of negative number is, we can reciprocate this and the power becomes positive. So if it is x raised to the power minus n, it will become 1 by x raised to the power n. We reciprocate the number and the power turns out to be positive. This is a rule of indices. So x goes up. So this will become 5 comes down, 1 by 5. So what is the value of x? It is 1 by 5. So this is how we calculate x.